At 12 panel now, our drug test cups are individually wrapped in vacuum sealed bags. The packaging is labeled with the cup type, drugs tested, cutoff levels, lot number, and expiration date. First, unscrew the leak-proof lid. Then have the donor provide a urine sample directly into the test cup. Secure the lid back onto the test cup and tighten until you hear it click. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Observe the built-in temperature strip at 2 minutes to validate specimen validity. A green dot will appear in the correct temperature zone. Once 5 minutes have passed, peel back the label to reveal the drug test strips. Clear and easy-to-read results can be seen on each test strip. The control region is represented by a C, and the test region is represented by a T. A negative result is represented by 2 red lines. One line will appear in the control region, and one line will appear in the test region. A positive result can be seen with 1 line in the control region and no lines in the test region. In rare cases, an invalid test will either display 1 line in the test region and no lines in the control region, or no lines at all. If this occurs, review the instructions and retry with a new test cup. However, if the problem persists, contact the team at 12 panel now. All of our drug test cups are 100% leak-proof. As demonstrated here, and detailed instructions are included with every test. If you have any questions about how to use our drug test cups, or if you need help interpreting results, give us a call. Our knowledgeable customer service team is more than happy to help.